Hello, this is Amos, Tarfa, Director of the Learning Institute for Excellence and LifeSTEM Academy. This summer, we're inviting students from all schools in the area, in the Fargo-Moorhead area and beyond, who would like to join us for a week or a season of learning about France and the French mathematicians and the different scientists and inventors from France, as well as other scientists and mathematicians. But we're going to have an emphasis for some of our camps on the inventions that came out of France. And that's partly because I'm going to be collaborating with our French instructor from LifeSTEM Academy, Dr. Wotrich, to see how we can help students appreciate the history of France as well as the people that gave us a lot of the topics we talk about in math. And so we have a few opportunities. We have 3 camps this summer. We will let you know the details for each one of them. But one of them is the main focus, and the theme will focus on, again, French inventors and the history of France and just French culture. So from 10 to 12 a.m. would be more of an integrated learning opportunity. There's some geography, some language learning, just a great time of learning about different aspects of history and Western civilizations as it ties to France. At 12 to 1, from 12 to 1 p.m., we are going to open our gym and have an hour of gym time. You know, people can have their lunch, and then we could play pickleball or soccer or basketball. So we'll do some gym activities in between the morning session and the afternoon session. And then in the afternoon, from 1 to 3 p.m., I call it skills camp / hands-on learning. The skills camp part involves using resources from what we've put together called Tools for Mastering Mathematics, where we basically help students find out if they have any gaps in their math learning, and we help them fill those gaps. We help them solidify their base so that they go back next school year and become one of the best math students. We want your student to go back to school in the fall, and we want their classmates to say, there's something different about this kid's math skills. Well, that's because they're going to be using deliberate practice. So whether you want to just attend the camps, or if you want to take one of our summer courses, which we are offering pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry, pre-calculus, calculus. If you want to take any of those courses, you can do that through our program here at the Learning Institute for Excellence. But I just want to encourage the students to attend our camps. We have one at the end of June, one at the end of July, and one in the second week or the early week of August. So you can attend these camps. That's from the 8th to the 10th of August. You can attend these camps. You can spend time learning about different aspects of the history of science, the history of inventions. I'll give you one quick example before I wrap up. So there's a mathematician by the name of Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician. He died at the age of 39, by the way. But whenever you pump your tires, notice that you generally are putting the unit there as Pascal, right? I know there's the PSI unit, but then there's Pascal that's very common. You see the kilopascal there. Well, Pascal did a lot of work regarding pressure, right? He did amazing work with physics and mathematical principles. He also helped us come up with a calculating machine. He did that at around the age of 18 to help his dad, because I believe his dad worked in like taxes or like an accounting type position. So he created a method, a way for his dad to not have to work so late. Now that's amazing. I want to inspire students to consider ways that they can make a positive impact in their communities, just like Blaise Pascal did. Now, that's just one example of someone who was a wonderful inventor. We're going to be spending time talking about more inventors, Americans, Germans, French, Italians, and people from all over the world. We're going to talk about their inventions and how they've helped make life better, how the inventions make life better for everybody. So this summer, 1 week in June, 1 week in July, 1 week in August, we're going to have these STEM camps to inspire students to excellence. I'll put the link to sign up in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a blessed day and take care.